Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 7. We will present about FTP and GFTP. Before we start, let me introduce my team. My name is Nafi Kerindriano and my partner.
My name is Muhammad Haris Sofwan.
Okay, next. Okay, before we start, we go to the agenda. First is introduction to install FTP. 3 is install GFTP, and the last one is test the FTP and GFTP. And Haris will present that about introduction and FTP.
Okay, introduction. First, what is file FTP? FTP or File Transfer Protocol is a standard communication protocol used for the transfer of computer files from a server to a client on a computer network. And then I will explain about install FTP. Okay, here I have made the FTP configuration on the server and client. Because once it is installed, it cannot be installed anymore. So I will explain in server. Okay, I will explain how to install FTP on Ubuntu, but I am already configure and install in server. Uh, so I will show you step by step for install and configure. Okay, before we start, let's go to the terminal. Okay, if you want to install FTP on Ubuntu, you can write the syntax is sudo apt install fs ftpd. And then uh, just click enter and then input your password. Wait a minute for install FTP. Because I am already installed the FTP, so the display will be like this. If you not yet install the FTP, the display will be different. And then after you install the FTP, first you must setting the IP address. If you want setting the IP address, just write the syntax sudo nano / etc network interface and then click enter. In this section, this is the place to setting the IP address. You can write the same syntax like this. Auto np 0s3 is the connection. So you must write auto np 0s3 and then write iface anp 0s3 inet dhcp. And then you must setting the IP address. Up to you how many IP address you want to create. This is the example. I am create the IP address 192.168.1.10, and then netmask is 255.255.255 and 0. And then if you already setting the IP address, you must click Ctrl X to save. And then you will back again to terminal. After you already setting the IP address, you can check your IP. Just write IPA. You can check in below here. This is my IP address. And then if you already setting the IP address, you must restart your terminal first. Just follow me or write the service networking restart. And then you must input your password for authentication. And then if you already restart, you must setting the network manager to turn on the connection. The syntax is sudo nano / etc network. And then click enter. In the section, you must change the manage from false to true because I am already setting the configuration. So the display is true. Before true, it is a false option. And then click Ctrl X to save. Uh, and then you will back again to terminal. If you already setting IP and then turn on the connection, you can testing ping your IP address. Just typing like this, ping, and then click enter. If your display like this, it means your configure and setting IP is successfully. And then if you want testing ping again your IP address on Mozilla, you can just typing your IP address on FTP slash and then input your IP address and then click enter. Wait a minute. If the display like this, it means your configuration and setting IP successfully. And then input your username and password and then click OK. Cok, nggak bisa anjir.
Oh, bisa gitu. Salah kali namanya, bukan server 1.
Yang gini. And then click OK. This is the display if you successfully setting IP and then turn on the connection and then you can try to ping IP address in Mozilla. Okay, for your information, all the steps from the beginning to testing the ping are the same. Make it on the server and client, except the IP address. You have to create a different IP address on the server and the client. And then the testing sharing file will be presented by my friends Nafikri.
Yeah, let's go to the install GFTP. This is the Ubuntu server on my left, and then on my right is the client server. Okay, let's go to the install FTP from the server. How to the install FTP is you must go to this show application and click input the GFTP, and then before we go to the GFTP, I will explain. I have already installed the GFTP, and then click OK. This is the display of after you install the GFTP, and then go to the client. same. You must go there and then click the GFTP and then click here. Nah, what is my IP address from the server is you can check the internet NVOS8. Go to where setting. This is the IP address from the server, and then from the client server is this is the IP address from the client server. This is different. And then go to the GFTP again. I will share the file from the server to the client, and then you must input the IP address from client. And then the password. Nah, this is the on my right. This is the client server. Okay, we transfer the folder on CCIT, and uh, then put the on the desktop. Okay, I will transfer the file of CCIT and then put the downloads. Okay. After that, you can click the symbol. This is the directories, and okay, that is a successful from the transfer. Okay, we can check the file from downloads. Oh, okay, this is the file. Uh, and then we try again from the client to the server. This is the display. I will share CCIT again to the looting. Then press the symbol, click. The send is automatically success. We can check the files on looting. That is the folder. And then we can make the file from this GFTP and then transfer to the server. For the example in desktop, you can click new folder, enter the name. For the example, GFTP testing, and then add. This is from the server, and then you can transfer again to the server client. First again in downloads, and then in client, definitely, and then that is the GFTP setting, and then press symbol to the server server client, and then check for the downloads, and then that is the GFTP testing is there from the downloads. Okay, that is for the presentation.
Thank you for your
Thank
attention.
you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.